So we're here at Hunting Hill Farm today to install a few of the 6X fans produced by Super Duty. These fans will be going into this 52 by 35 barn. The top of the ridge is approximately 30 feet. We'll have to see how well these help keep this space cool and comfortable in the hot, muggy conditions.
You can see that we got the fans uncrated, and then we're going to finish the wiring for the two controllers, which we actually mounted in the ground level of the barn.
Here we are in the barn. We've got the high reach in place, and we're going to get our unistrut mounted so that we can hang these things. There's our Super Duty 6X fan. Hung the motor, attached the belt, and then verify that we're free and clear.
As we ready to lift, all that's left to do is place the fan into position, connect all hanging straps to the exterior shroud, and then finish our tie-in wiring up at the junction box which we mounted on our unistrut. And now for the moment of truth. So the first of the two fans has been installed and is up and running, currently at just about 1,000 RPMs. It's amazing how quiet this fan is.
Here you can see the complete fan. This is the 6X. We utilized the straps, some unistrut, and eye bolts. Just about 7 o'clock. Took about 10 hours to get these two 60-inch Super Duty fans installed. There is the first one, mounted at about 21 feet off the ground, directly over the bar. And then here on the game room side of the barn, we have the second, keeping this space cool and comfortable, even though it's just about 90 degrees and 68% humidity right now. That's a wrap on the installation of the Super Duty 6X fans here at Hunting Hill Farm.